Keeping hardwood floors pristine used to mean back-breaking scrubbing and a bucket full of chemicals. The right Steam Mop offers a deep clean that traditional mops simply can't touch. This guide evaluates the top performers on the market, looking specifically at steam temperature, heat-up speed, tank capacity, and maneuverability to help you find the ultimate tool for a spotless home. Product number 1. Bojic Scrub and Steam Mop with LED headlights. The Bojic Scrub and Steam Mop is a powerhouse for those who want to combine the sanitizing power of steam with the mechanical action of a floor buffer. Featuring a dual motor system that spins at 230 RPM, this unit literally walks across your hardwood floors, significantly reducing the physical effort required to remove dried-on spills. What sets the Bojic apart is its visibility and maneuverability. The integrated LED headlights illuminate dust and debris in dark corners or under furniture, ensuring no spot is missed. It comes with a generous set of 6 cleaning pads and an XL water tank, allowing you to clean larger areas without frequent interruptions. With a rapid 30-second heat-up time and 4 adjustable cleaning modes, it provides a customized clean that is safe for sealed wood. It's an ideal choice for users seeking a hands-off feel to their mopping routine. Product number 2. 10-in-1 Floor Steamer with Detachable Handheld Unit. Versatility is the defining trait of this 10-in-1 floor steamer. While it excels at gliding over hardwood floors, its true value lies in the detachable handheld cleaner. This feature transforms the device into a multi-surface tool capable of steaming windows, refreshing upholstery, and even degreasing kitchen tile. The unit is designed with the modern, busy household in mind, offering a lightweight frame that doesn't sacrifice steam pressure. For hardwood owners, the swivel head allows for easy navigation around furniture legs and into tight transitions. Because it uses only water to reach high temperatures, it provides a chemical-free way to sanitize surfaces where children and pets play. If you are looking for a single appliance that can handle everything from your living room planks to your bathroom grout, this all-in-one steamer offers exceptional utility for the price. Product number 3. 10-in-1 Steam Mop, 10-second heat-up time and 248-degree Fahrenheit, powerful steam. When speed is your top priority, this 10-in-1 Steam Mop stands out with an industry-leading 10-second heat-up time. Powered by a 1200-watt motor, it reaches a peak temperature of 248 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough to melt away stubborn grime and sanitize floors instantly. The 350-milliliter water tank is paired with the 23-foot extra-long power cord, giving you a wide cleaning radius without needing to hunt for new outlets. This model is particularly effective for hardwood floors due to its consistent steam delivery, which prevents the puddling that can sometimes damage wood finishes. The package includes a variety of brush heads and a garment steamer cloth, making it a functional tool for the entire home. It's a snappy performer that feels robust despite its lightweight 6.3-pound design, perfect for quick daily touch-ups and deep weekly cleans alike. Product number 4. 12-in-1 Steam Mop, 1500W Fast 15-second Heat-Up. The 12-in-1 Steam Mop is a heavy-duty contender in the all-in-one category, boasting a high-powered 1500W heating element. This extra wattage allows it to maintain a more consistent, high-volume steam flow than smaller models. It heats up in just 15 seconds and claims to remove 99.99% of stubborn stains and bacteria, a vital metric for health-conscious families. One of its best features is the inclusion of 2 dirt grip pads, which are engineered with a textured weave to trap more dirt than standard microfiber. The detachable handheld component is easy to pop off for vertical surfaces like curtains or mirrors. For hardwood floors, the 90-degree and 180-degree rotation capability ensures that the mop head stays flat against the surface, even when reaching under low-clearance sofas. It's a reliable, powerful option for those who have a mix of sealed wood, tile, and stone throughout their home. Product number 5. Torter Scrub and Steam Mop with 13 accessories. The Torter Scrub and Steam Mop is a premium cleaning system designed for deep clean enthusiasts. It combines the benefits of a spin mop with high-temperature steam, utilizing 13 included accessories to tackle every conceivable household chore. From the 550-milliliter large-capacity tank to the self-propelled scrubbing heads, this machine is built to handle heavy-duty grime on sealed hardwood. The spinning action provides a scrubbing effect that traditional steam mops lack, which is particularly useful for textured wood-look tiles or older hardwood with deep grain. Despite its power, it remains chemical-free, relying on heat to break down residues. The Torter also features an adjustable handle and a long power cable, addressing the common complaint of back strain during long cleaning sessions. If you want the most complete kit that handles floors, grills, and upholstery with equal efficiency, the Torter is a top-tier investment for home maintenance.